How to remove all reposts on TikTok. So if you want to get rid of all of the reposts on TikTok, let's say for example, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, let us discuss the issue. Maybe you launched the TikTok application right here. You come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, and then you simply go to this repost tab. Here you have over 100 or 200 reposts that you have shared on TikTok and you'd like to remove them. So you can tap on a certain repost and tap on the share icon right next to it, and here you can tap on remove repost. But doing this one after another is actually quite a tedious process. Now there are definitely some applications that will help you with the mass removal of TikTok reposts, but I wouldn't recommend that you use these applications, because when you use this, what happens is you'll have chances of your TikTok account getting banned or at least limited to a certain degree. So instead, what I would recommend you do is, if you have got time, you can keep a target of removing 10 to 20 reposts a day, or you can try to contact TikTok support to help you mass remove these reposts. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, then simply go to settings and privacy. From there you can scroll down and go to the option called support and go to help center, where you can report a problem to TikTok and just let them know that you'd like to go ahead and then need help removing all of these at once. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.